Guys for joining us today. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, share. We are out here today in the mountains of the Philippines, praising Jesus and giving back to the community. Just want to take this time to share why we're doing this. It is, of course, to build the kingdom of God, preach grace through faith, salvation in Jesus Christ and Him alone. We believe in the death, burial, and resurrection for the forgiveness of sins. And we believe that the love of God is perfected when we love others. So all praises to the Most High God, the King of Kings and Lord of Lords. So come join us today as we go out, we give to the community and preach Jesus to those in need. Right now, we are going to be going to a little girl with lupus. We received the fundings from somebody who wishes to remain anonymous to go and give her gifts and help pay for her medication. So come join us as we have this journey today in the Philippines. Salamat Ginoo si Jesus.
Bibi!
Hello!
Sa man tong nakuan? Asa ba yung mama? Mama ni mong Oy, ikaw tong nakuan. Nakakuan na siya, na-disgrasya. So, thank you! So, naapoy. And then, kabibi, nadaan ang sinina. Tapos, since nga wala ka nag-school, pwede ka mag-drawing and then basa-basa. So, kung wala ka nag-school, kamusta man? Imong morning. Tira ka? Naglantan ka?
Lantan sa
She has a fever.
Uso man ron.
So, inya ka ni, balita, nakalimot ko palit ang battery. Break game. Ano bitang puzzle-puzzle, bitaw, break game ka. Di ba siya, ubaya siya ko, ubaya siya ng school la, so maboring siya. So, kani, break game niya siya, puzzle ni mo. Ayan siya. Ay, magkalang break game ba? Di, battery, nakalimot ko pa ito battery ba? Kung naman yung battery, double A, katong damay, bitang nipis. Siya, pwede ni mo siya, nga di ba ka nang, nailain-lain ni ka ng shooting sa mga kuan, kana, siya gana, wakay kay no? Hindi mo siya tambal kay nasa, tambal sa asa na siya nga tambal? Sa heart and the lupus.